Crystal methods. Adaptive software development with minimal overhead. Crystal methods are a family of agile software development methodologies that focus on people, interaction, community, skills, talents, and communications to increase project success. Crystal methods put more emphasis on man than method. These methods are adaptive and lightweight, reducing overhead and maximizing productivity. Crystal methods focus on team dynamics, communication, and adaptability. They scale based on team size and project criticality, making them highly adaptable. Let's explore the origins and philosophy behind Crystal methods. Crystal methods emerged from Alistair Coburn's vision, who studied successful teams and their communication patterns to develop these methodologies. Crystal methods are not a single process but a family of methodologies, each named after minerals such as clear, yellow, orange, and red. Crystal methods primarily focus on people, interaction, and communication, emphasizing frequent delivery and reflection to drive continuous improvement. The Crystal family of methodologies depend on team size and system criticality. Crystal clear is best suited to 1 to 6 people. Crystal yellow is best suited to 7 to 20 people. Crystal orange is best suited to 21 to 40 people. Crystal red is best suited to teams with 40+ people. The Crystal family adapts to suit the system criticality, for example, comfort, discretionary money, essential money, or life. Let's explore the core properties of Crystal methods. These 7 properties are crucial for project success. The first property is frequent delivery, where working software is delivered to real users every few weeks or months to gather feedback for the next iteration. Reflective improvement requires teams to regularly reflect on what works and what doesn't, adjusting their processes accordingly. Close communication is achieved when team members work in close proximity with rich, multimodal communication channels. Personal safety is essential, as team members should feel safe to speak up without fear of reprisal, enabling honest communication. Focus is maintained by ensuring team members know what to work on and have uninterrupted time to complete their tasks. Easy access to users provides regular access to real users for feedback and validation of requirements and solutions. A technical environment with automated tests, configuration management, and frequent integration supports the other 6 properties, ensuring a robust and efficient development process. Selecting the right Crystal method involves adapting to your project's specific needs based on team size and system criticality. Several factors influence this selection. Team size determines the communication complexity and coordination needs. System criticality assesses the potential damage from undetected defects, ranging from comfort to life-critical systems. Project priorities such as speed, flexibility, legal auditability, or safety also play a role. Team distribution, whether co-located or distributed, requires different communication strategies. Finally, organizational culture, including existing practices and values, influences methodology adoption. Crystal Clear is designed for teams of 1 to 6 people working on low criticality projects, emphasizing minimal documentation, high visibility, and close communication. Crystal Yellow is for teams of 7 to 20 people, adding more structure, specialized roles, and increased documentation. Crystal Orange is suited for teams of 21 to 40 people, introducing more formal specifications, specialized roles, and verification activities. Crystal Red is for teams of 40+ people working on highly critical systems, requiring more ceremony, documentation, and verification. Crystal Clear is the lightest methodology in the Crystal family, designed for small teams. Key practices include frequent delivery of usable code, from weekly to quarterly releases. Reflective improvement is achieved through regular team retrospectives. Osmotic communication is facilitated by close seating arrangements. Personal safety ensures team members can speak truthfully about project status. Focus on priorities allows uninterrupted time for tasks. Easy access to expert users provides valuable feedback. A supportive technical environment includes automated tests and frequent integration. The team roles include a sponsor who provides funding and overall direction, participating in project chartering and high-level decisions. A senior designer programmer is an experienced developer who makes major technical decisions and mentors other team members. Designer programmers are responsible for designing and implementing features, participating in all development activities. Business experts or users provide domain knowledge and feedback on functionality throughout the development process. Crystal emphasizes minimal documentation, focusing on value-driven deliverables and efficient meetings. Key deliverables include a release sequence, which is a high-level plan showing feature delivery over time. User stories or use cases provide lightweight requirements in a user-centered format. A risk list prioritizes project risks with mitigation strategies. An iteration plan outlines features and tasks for the current development cycle. Design notes document key design decisions in a lightweight manner. Working software is the primary deliverable, delivered frequently. Test cases include automated tests that verify system behavior. Regular meetings include a project kickoff to align the team on goals, roles, and working agreements. Iteration planning involves selecting and estimating work for the upcoming iteration. Stand-up meetings offer brief daily synchronization, though they are optional. Delivery reviews demonstrate completed features to stakeholders. Reflection workshops are team retrospectives to improve processes and practices. Release planning involves periodic adjustments to the release sequence. Documentation is adapted based on project criticality, with more critical projects requiring more formal documentation. Let's evaluate the benefits and challenges of Crystal methods. The benefits of Crystal methods include adaptability to different team sizes and project criticality. Crystal focuses on people and interactions over rigid processes. Minimal documentation reduces overhead. Emphasizes frequent delivery and feedback. Promotes team reflection and continuous improvement. Balances flexibility with necessary structure. Recognizes that one size doesn't fit all projects. Some challenges of using Crystal methods are co-location is required for optimal communication, which is challenging for distributed teams. Less prescriptive than other methodologies, requiring more judgment. Limited detailed guidance for specific practices. Relies heavily on team experience and capability. May be difficult to scale beyond medium-sized projects. Less community support compared to Scrum or XP. Requires an organizational culture that values transparency. In conclusion, Crystal methods provide a human-centered approach to software development that can be tailored to your specific team and project context, focusing on the essentials while eliminating unnecessary overhead. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.